If the Dave app says ExtraCash isn't available, the feature usually hasn't disappeared. Your account simply doesn't meet the current eligibility requirements, or the app needs updated account information. By the end of this, you'll know what causes ExtraCash to become unavailable, and the steps that give you the best chance of restoring access. Start by checking that your bank account is still linked and syncing correctly with Dave. ExtraCash depends on recent account activity. If the connection breaks, Dave may temporarily stop offering advances until your account data is updated. Next, verify that your recent income is showing correctly. If a direct deposit hasn't arrived yet or your latest transactions haven't synced, the app may not be able to evaluate your eligibility. Open your account settings and make sure your personal information is accurate. If you've changed your bank account, debit card, phone number, or other account details, update them before checking ExtraCash again. Also look for any pending verification requests. Dave may ask you to confirm your identity or reconnect your bank account before restoring access to the feature. Review your account for any unpaid balance or pending repayment. If a previous ExtraCash advance hasn't been fully settled, another advance may not be available until your account is back in good standing. Keep the Dave app updated through your device's app store. Using the latest version helps prevent software issues that can affect account features. If you've recently reconnected your bank account, allow some time for the app to refresh your account information. Eligibility decisions may not update immediately after reconnecting. Avoid repeatedly closing and reopening the app or submitting multiple requests in a short period. Those actions won't change your eligibility if the underlying account information hasn't changed. If the app displays a specific message explaining why ExtraCash isn't available, read it carefully. That message often points directly to the issue you need to resolve before trying again. When you've confirmed everything is correct and ExtraCash is still unavailable, contact Dave Support. Provide your account email, your linked bank name, your device type, and the exact message shown in the app. Those details help the support team investigate your account more efficiently. To sum it up, make sure your bank account is connected, verify your account information, complete any pending verification requests, and review any outstanding repayment before requesting ExtraCash again. Next, open your linked bank connection inside Dave and confirm it's syncing your latest transactions correctly. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Dave app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.